Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video I'll be showing you how to mine Electronium or Cryptonite coins using Ubuntu server. We're going to be using on Microsoft Azure, so Microsoft Azure. This time it won't be on Windows Server 2016 because that's for GPU mining due to the NVIDIA cards they have. But in this time we'll be using Ubuntu 16.04. So right now go to Portal, so Azure Portal, and then click on Virtual Machine. Same thing that you do for creating a Windows server. So click Add, and we'll be choosing Ubuntu, so Ubuntu server, and 16.04 LTS, and click Create. So Resource Manager, Create. So they'll be using I think Intel Xeon E5. I think the hash rate is about 100 hashes per second. Password, just create your password, and a free trial, create new Ubuntu 1, Ubuntu 2. And then location, just choose South Central, but I'm sure it's going to be the same for most of it. And then click View All, and I'll be using B4MS standard, so 4 cores, CPU, 16 GB. And remember to choose free trial here, not pay as you go. So click free trial, and then choose B4MS standard. So yeah, select, and then you don't have to configure anything, and then OK, create, and then I will be back when it's done deploying. Okay, so after your virtual machine is deployed, we need to download PuTTY. So we go to PuTTY and go to putty.org and download PuTTY here, and then click on a 64-bit if you're using a 64-bit computer, or 32-bit, blah blah blah. And then afterwards, after you finish downloading, copy the public IP address and then search PuTTY. Click here and then go to host name, so copy the IP address, SSH, and then open. Click yes, and then log in as your username. So for me it's that, and then password. And then after, you'll see this Windows, and that's when you need to install all the stuff to mine Cryptonite coins. So today we'll be using xmrig, which is basically for Monero, but same algorithm, so works for Electronium as well. So what you need to do is sudo apt-get update to update all the stuff first. So that should take, well, around 30 seconds max, and then all the codes are going to be in the description below, but because I don't have description box right now, so I'm just going to type everything. So sudo apt-get install git build essential cmake libuv1dev and libmicrohttpd-dev. So yes, and then wait for it to download. Each code shouldn't take more than 1 minute, to be honest. I think the longest is when you compile the miner from from the GitHub link, which I think is the next line. No, not the next line, in 2 or 3 lines. So right now we're downloading GitHub, Git, and then cmake, which is to build the repository. And afterwards, I think we're not that far away from starting to mine. So right now we're going to download the pool mining software. So sudo git clone https github.com/xmrig xmrig.git, and then the next argument is your preferred file name. So for me, I'm just going to etn_mining, and then afterwards cd etn mining. So cd and then your file name. So file name here, type it here, and then sudo cmake dot, and then right afterwards sudo make. And this is to build the miner. I think this part is the longest. I think it's the longest code to load. It should take like 45 seconds if you're on a slow computer. So right now, click ls to check you have xmrig file in the folder. So afterwards, it goes --S and then miner. So this is going to create a new screen which you can close, and it will still continue to mine in the background. So right here, remember you should still see the file name, so username, your machine name, and then / your folder name, and then sudo /xmrig a cryptonight, and then o, and then -o pool.electronium.space 3333, and then so copy this, paste, and then let's try 100, the static difficulty, and then px. Yeah, so password is nothing, and then enter. So Intel Xeon CPU E5. So if you press H, you should see the hash rate around 100 hashes per second. Or we can use a lower difficulty port, which Control C, and then we can change that to 4 ones. No, 1111. Enter. Still 500 diff. So the minimum is 5,000, but yeah, you should start sending shares. So yeah, around 100 hashes per second. And if you go back to Electronium space, you should see because I'm already mining already, so you should see last share submitted less than a minute ago, and the hash rate should be around 100 after 10 minutes. And yeah, so that's it for mining mining with CPU on Microsoft Azure. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down the video, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.